Hey everybody, I'm Johan Carlo Bunog and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be talking about statistical analysis and statistical analysis methods, specifically regression analysis. What is statistical analysis? Statistical analysis is the collection and interpretation of data in order to uncover patterns and trends. A component of data analytics, statistical analysis can be used in situations like gathering research interpretations, statistical modeling, or designing surveys and studies. There are multiple statistical methods available, such as the percentage, the correlational analysis, regression analysis, and etc. But in this video, we'll only tackle about regression analysis. According to an article by Brian Beers, regression analysis is a set of statistical methods used for the estimation of the relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The equation of the regression analysis is as follows: y is equal to mx plus b, where x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable, m stands for estimated slope, and while b is the estimated intercept. Moreover, regression analysis makes it possible to infer or predict a variable on the basis of one or more other variables. It can be utilized to assess the strength of the relationship between variables and for modeling the future relationship between them. There are three major uses of regression analysis. These are causal analysis. It makes possible causation of changes in y by changes x. Forecasting an effect. It allows you to estimate and predict the value of y given the value of x. And linear trend forecasting. It helps you trace the line best fit to the series. Suppose you're a sales manager trying to predict the sales number of umbrellas for next month. As a sales manager, you know there are multiple factors that can affect the sales of your product. Your coworker told you that the more it rains, the more we sell. In regression analysis, those factors are called variables. You have your dependent variable, the main factor that you're trying to understand and predict. In our example, the dependent variable is monthly sales. And then you have your independent variables, the factors you suspect have an impact on your dependent variable. Based on the data recorded from the previous months, it shows that the umbrella sales were higher on rainy months than on any other months. Then we can predict that sales for umbrellas will be higher next month since it will be wet season. Therefore, the average value of y is a function of x. So the average value of monthly sales is a function of the season or the weather of the month. Regression analysis describes the relationships between a set of independent variables and the dependent variable. Regression analysis can be applied to a wide range of real-life problems that involve continuous numbers such as financial forecasting, like house price estimates or stock prices, sales and promotions forecasting, testing automobiles, weather analysis and prediction, and time series forecasting. So, in conclusion, regression analysis helps us find the functional relationship between variables and help make future projection on events. Well, that's all for today's video. I hope you've learned something from regression analysis. Again, this is Johan Carlo Bunog, signing off.